AI will not take your job, but the person who learned it might. If your team isn't learning AI, your competitors are turning that into their advantage. In 12 months, every job is AI assisted. The longer you wait to train your team on AI, the more your workflow slows down. Get everyone up to speed now or risk falling behind those who already have. Today, I will show you why delaying AI learning is costly, what goes wrong when people aren't trained, and a simple plan to upskill everyone. You will leave with specific steps you can start this month. If you are new to the channel, my name is Kemal Rashid, a transformational change management expert specializing in guiding individuals and businesses through digital transformations with a sharp focus on AI adoption. My mission is to help you become AI aware, AI ready, and AI enabled. I empower individuals, leaders, and businesses to stay competitive in an AI-driven world through trainings, services, and products. I help you successfully bridge the gap between your current state and the future of work. Let's get one thing clear. AI is already inside the tools you are using. Email, documents, CRM, customer support. When people know how to use it, work gets done faster, decisions get clearer, and customers notice the difference in service. This isn't about buying more software. It's about building skill and confidence. The organizations winning today don't just use AI, they teach everyone how to use it well, consistently, and responsibly. Here is what we see when teams don't get AI training. Number one, you move slower. Competitors deliver while you are still exploring pilots. Momentum dies and projects stall. Number two, shadow AI creeps in. People use random tools, which leads to data leaks, compliance headaches, and no audit trail. Risk rises quietly. Number three, time is wasted. Repetitive tasks stay manual. Meetings get typed up by hand. First drafts take hours instead of minutes. Number four, more mistakes. Poor prompts mean poor outputs. Errors sneak into decisions because no one knows how to review AI work. Number five, money gets wasted. You buy shiny AI tools no one knows how to use, licenses go idle, and enthusiasm turns to skepticism. Let's consider two similar companies. Company A says, we'll get to AI later. 6 months pass, projects slip, staff quietly use unapproved tools, and customers wait. Leadership loses visibility and teams lose trust in the AI initiative. Company B makes AI literacy part of the job. Everyone gets hours of basic training, role-specific workshops, and simple guidelines. 6 months later, emails drafted in minutes, reports summarized on demand, support replies done faster. Managers can actually measure the improvement. Same tools used by the two companies, but different skills. Good means AI literacy for everyone, deeper enablement by role, and clear guidelines so people can experiment safely. It's governance without bureaucracy, speed without chaos. Here is the playbook you can start this month. Number one, leaders set the tone. Say it clearly. AI skills are part of the job. Add it to goals and performance conversations. Number two, baseline training for all. Plain English basics, prompt hygiene, privacy, and ethics. Teach how to structure a prompt. Role, context, constraints, format, and verify. Number three, role-based enablement. Using real-time workflows so people see immediate relevance. For example, sales, call summaries, and proposal drafts. Operations, standard operating procedure creation and quality assurance checks. finance, budget variance explanations and first draft commentary, HR, job descriptions, candidate summaries, marketing comms, outlines, headlines, and post drafts. Number 4, safe environment and approved tools. Give people a place to practice with compliant, approved, monitored tools. No more random website risk. Provide example prompts and templates inside the safe environment so no one starts from a blank page. Number 5, simple policies and governance. For example, what data is okay to use, what it's not. When must a human review? Keep rules short, visible, and scenario-based. Number 6, data readiness. Clean, accessible data makes AI actually useful. Identify 1 or 2 high-value sources to tidy up and make them easy to retrieve inside your tools. Number 7, champions network. Upskill a few power users per team to coach others and share best practices. Give them time and a shared channel to collect wins and questions. Number 8, time and incentives. Protect, for example, 30 minutes a week for AI learning. Celebrate AI wins in stand-ups or town halls. Share before and after examples so people see what good looks like. Number 9, measure impact. Track adoption regularly. Who's using it? Time saved on key workflows, error rates, and customer metrics. Review regularly. Withdraw what it isn't working and double down on what is working. Keep people safe without killing momentum. A simple guideline works. Use approved tools only. No sensitive data unless the tool is cleared for it. Always review outputs, AI drafts. You decide, escalate high-risk decisions to a human owner. Once you have done all these, expect small but meaningful wins fast. First drafts of emails and documents done in minutes. Meeting notes and action items auto-summarized and shared. Faster customer replies with consistent tone and clear next steps. Quicker research starters, organized sources, summaries, and follow-up questions. Don't buy more AI. Build more skill. Give your team time to learn and watch the gap close. Start with 1 workflow per role. Prove the value, then expand. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what 1 AI skill your team will train this month. Thank you, and see you in the next video.